Hi, welcome to another episode of Clean Money Lifestyle. Today we are going to be talking about the little black dress. I am your host, Omil Beryl. The little black dress is a treasured item in each and every woman's closet. That is because it works well with everything. It hides flaws. As you all know, black has a way of hiding flaws. The good thing about the little black dress is that you don't have to break your bank to acquire one because they are cheap and they are everywhere. You can find them in every stores at very affordable prices. And the good thing about them is that it's easy to accessorize. As you all know, black goes well with everything. Be it a white necklace, a blue necklace, gold necklace, it works well with everything. That is why most ladies love the little black dress. Our first model is wearing a black off-shoulder dress. This dress works well with different occasions. If you want to switch it up, you can wear it with heels. And for a more casual look, for a day-to-day look, you can wear it with Converse shoes. She chose to hold her hair back, which brings beauty to the off-shoulder. It actually makes it pop because the detail here and the cutout makes the neck look longer, and it actually brings beauty to the cloth. To accessorize, she chose the pearl earrings, which are quite simple and classy. Our next model is wearing a gown, a lace gown. As you can see the details, it has a lower cleavage, like a plunge neck. It has the curvy vibe. It's actually dissected in a way that the top part is quite different from the bottom part. If you want to show more skin and actually still look decent while at it, this works. And considering the shoes she's paired it with, it works well for a high fashion event. Myself, I went for the long black dress. This dress works well for events, barbecues, dates. It actually depends on how you choose to pair it. I can wear it with heels, I can wear it with Converse, Vans, I can wear it with sandals. I actually chose to wear it with sandals to show the more laid back look. I can pair it with a denim jacket for more casual look and a day-to-day look. But if I'm going on a date or something fancy, I can choose to rock a necklace to bring the classy vibe of it all. The little black dress doesn't have to be boring. You can choose to put on a scarf, a denim jacket. You can actually put on a thick belt for more oomph. You can play with a lot of things with it because it works well with everything. As you know, black goes well with anything. Another good thing about the black dress is that you can wear the same dress in different ways and no one will even notice because of the way you choose to accessorize the dress. I've been your host, Omil Beryl. Till next time, goodbye.
This is Clean Money TV.